Yeah, I do this, but I also do this. And I love doing this, but I also love doing this. This is my favorite.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time here, you're so welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. All right, today I will be showing you guys different hairstyles that you can rock, different simple hairstyles that you can rock with your relaxed hair right now. Yeah, so are you ready? Let's go. So I'm so exhausted. I didn't think this would be as tiring as I thought when I was imagining all these styles in my head. Anyway, so my hair is back to its normal state. I mean, this is the most easiest style I can come up with every day. I can wear this style to work 7 days a week and not do anything to it and not change it up. Okay, all those other styles are like extreme. Maybe when I have somewhere to go to, like a party or a date, just to hang out with friends, and I want to look extra, I can do those styles. But you see, this is so easy. Like, it's the fact that every time I twist this hair and by the time I let it down, it gives my hair that wave that you guys saw, and it's so beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your favorite hairstyle in the comment below, and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe below, hit the bell so that you always get a notification every time we upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.